CM Panchal, exercise number 64. You are aware that the Public Accounts Committee has repeatedly observed in its several reports that material received by B committee it often complete, incorrect or unsatisfactory, and it does not contain relevant date of the events in respect of which explanation is furnished, despite repeated instructions issued by the government is this behalf. From time to time there has been no improvement is the quality of the material furnished by your office to the government. This was recently reintegrated to the Chief Secretary by the Chairman of the Public Accounts Committee when he last appeared before the committee. Para. In view of his seriousness, which this problem has now assumed, you are requested to ensure that a serious attention is paid at all levels, particularly at your level. Concerned officer, head of the selection handling the particular portfolio. Government has noticed that a habit of diluting the responsibility of one section or an officer dealing with the coordination is a root cause of such slipshod work. While one section or a branch officer may continue to coordinate the work, the responsibility for supplying correct, complete and studied information, and that too in time, should be the personal responsibility of the concerned officer in your office dealing with the particular subject matter. Disciplinary action as outlined by me in this letter should be taken by you against the concerned officer of your office if your notice lapse of this nature on the part of anyone in your office. Para. You will agree with me that a stage to control this work is when the draft paragraph is received by you from government. It is at this stage that the head of departments should prevent such of the slipshod work which subsequently follows. Over.